In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check which Windows version you have. This can be very useful for troubleshooting, ensuring compatibility with software, or just satisfying your curiosity about your computer's setup. Let's dive right into it and walk through two straightforward methods to find this information. First, we'll use the Run dialog box. Start by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens the Run dialog box. It's a small, simple tool that allows you to quickly open programs, documents, and other settings. Once you've got the Run box open, go ahead and type in WinVer. That's WINVER, followed by pressing Enter on your keyboard. Or you can click the OK button if you prefer using the mouse. This command will bring up a pop-up window. In this window, you'll find displayed the version of Windows you are running along with the OS build number. This pop-up gives you a quick snapshot of the necessary details about your Windows operating system. Now, let's move on to a second method using the Settings menu. Start by clicking the Start button, which is the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen on the taskbar. Once you've clicked the Windows icon, locate and select the Settings option, which looks like a little gear icon. This will open up the Settings window, which is your hub for accessing various settings and features of Windows. Within the Settings menu, click on the System category. This area contains information and settings related to your computer's hardware and operating system. Scroll down through the options on the left-hand side of the System settings until you see About. Go ahead and select it. Choosing About brings you to a page where you'll find lots of detailed information about your PC. Focus on the section labeled Windows Specifications. Here, you'll see details about your Windows edition, version, and the OS build number neatly listed. This provides a thorough overview of the specific Windows operating system you're currently using. And there you have it. Two simple ways to find out which version of Windows your computer is running. Whether you're using WinVer through the Run command for a quick check or the Settings method for a more detailed look, you can easily access all the information you need about your Windows operating system. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.